With America's largest exterior remodeler and replacement window contractor, updating your home is easier than ever. We know that it requires a great deal of trust to commit to a remodeling project, and we honor that trust by pledging to give you a quality experience from start to finish. Once you place your order with Window World, you can rest assured you've chosen a partner that will be with you every step of the way. To prepare, all you need to do is remove any window coverings or wall hangings near the installation area and move any furniture that may obstruct access to where the installers need to work. Leave the rest up to us. Our installers will arrive at your home, bringing with them all the tools they will need to complete the job, as well as your custom-built replacement windows. After introducing themselves and consulting with you to determine a plan to best carry out your unique project, they'll get started. Our professional installation crews will complete your project efficiently, doing their best to minimize the impact on your daily life. In fact, many installs can be completed in just one day. Depending on the layout of your home and the specifics of your project, the installers will place coverings on the floor in the work area. Our primary goal is always to safely perform the installation while respecting your space. Next, the installers will remove your old windows. As part of the project, we will ensure that the windows are removed from your property and disposed of properly. Concerned about installation during the extremes of summer and winter? Our installation methods can help manage loss of temperature-controlled air by minimizing the number of exposed openings at any one time, keeping you comfortable during installation regardless of the season. After each custom-made replacement window is fit to its individual opening, the windows are sealed to ensure that the installation is air and watertight. This helps to deliver the exceptional performance that makes Window World an ENERGY STAR partner. To complete the transformation, custom trim and cladding options are available, providing a maintenance-free finish for added curb appeal. And don't worry about a mess remaining at the completion of the project. Once their work is done, Window World installers will clean up any work-related debris, leaving your home as beautiful as they found it. Before the installers depart your home at the end of the project, they will demonstrate the operation of your new windows and provide you with information regarding your Window World lifetime limited warranty. This is a great time to ask any final questions you might have. We know that an invitation into a person's home is a great privilege, and we take your faith in us very seriously. We look forward to helping transform your house into your dream home.